Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be solving this financial problem. And the problem is on a scenario choosing a payment plan for a home generator. You are planning to purchase a high capacity home generator from a local supplier. The supplier gives you two payment options. The first option, immediate purchase, you pay $24,000 upfront in cash. And option two, staggered payment plan, you pay $4,500 today, followed by $920 at the end of each of the next 24 months. So separately, our credit union offers to lend you $19,500 at a monthly interest rate of 1.4%, which you could use to pay the supplier upfront. Now we have two tasks here. The first is assuming 1.4% per month as is your opportunity cost of capital. Calculate the present value of the supplier's staggered payment plan. And the second is determine the effective monthly interest rate the supplier is charging. To do this, create a spreadsheet that compares the cash flow difference between the two options over the 24-month period. Use the IRR function on the difference column to find the monthly rate. So to make this fast for us, I've already entered these input parameters as well as this NPV IRR and this. So let's just confirm that everything is correct. So our immediate purchase price is $24,000. You can see it's correct. Staggered payment plan, $4,500. Okay, that's for today. And then monthly installment is $920. As we can see here, then the credit union equivalent is $19,500. Okay, which we got here, and then the opportunity cost as well as the monthly interest rate, okay, is the 1.4%. Then the number of months that we are using is 24 months period. Okay, now what we are going to do now, I'm going to enter this number of months from 0, which is our current month, to the 24th month. So I will just drag this down and I fill series to 24. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm going to be doing is for this cash payment. So for cash payment, I can see here that my cash payment is $24,000. Okay, and this is what I will be making in the first day, that is today. So I will be entering this $24,000 and I will make it absolute. Okay, and then subsequently I will be entering zeros and drag this 0 down to the 24, and then what I will do next is to come to this payment under staggered plan. So payment under staggered plan, we are starting with $4,500. So I enter $4,500 and I will make it an absolute. And then next, I will enter my monthly installment, which starts from month 1. So for the monthly installments, I enter this $920. Okay, and I also take this down, and then we are going to take the difference now. So to take the difference, we just do B10 minus C10. Okay, and then we copy down so you can see. Now we are going to check for our NPV right now. So to check for our NPV, we use the NPV function. So this helps us get the first question. Okay, so we are to calculate the present value of the supplier staggered payment plan. So we do NPV, and then the rate that we are using is this opportunity cost, and then the values that we are using will be for this difference. Okay, so we take this difference down to 34. Then we close the bracket and add, and we add this. Okay, this our first payment, and that gives us $856. And then for our IRR, we are still going to use the IRR function. And this time around, we are going to take the range from this 19,500 down to the last. Then we close this. And this gives us 1.02. So this, we have been able to solve this very task now. So we can just simply interpret what this is from our results. So the staggered plan, as we can see, is more cost effective. Okay, you can see here. Okay, compared to this. And it reduces the effective monthly loss from, so here we have 1.4%. It reduces it to 1.02%. Okay, that's this installment now gives us a 1.02%, but this upfront is 1.40%. So it shows us that there is a reduction when we go by the installment. And we also have a positive NPV due to this, okay, which confirms that we are saving $856.22 in present value compared to when we pay all at once. So it is clear that staggered payment plan is really the one we should go for at the moment, as it provides us extra present value and also reduces this effective monthly loss. Okay, and that's just what this video is all about. And I hope this video has been helpful and you've found something from it, you've learned something from it. If you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.